STEM explained. What is STEM education? STEM education stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Beyond just an abbreviation, it embodies a holistic approach to learning that emphasizes critical thinking, problem-solving, and real-world applications. This educational philosophy prepares students to navigate complex challenges and fosters a mindset geared toward innovation. How can STEM education develop innovation and critical thinking? STEM education encourages students to conceptualize problems and seek efficient solutions. By engaging in hands-on projects and collaborative learning, students learn to analyze situations critically and creatively, laying the groundwork for innovative thinking. This approach not only enhances their problem-solving skills, but also equips them with the tools to tackle future challenges. How can students develop entrepreneurial skills using STEM? Entrepreneurship in the STEM context is defined as providing solutions to people and then, selling those solutions. STEM education teaches students to identify problems, develop innovative solutions, and understand the market dynamics involved in launching their ideas. This experiential learning process cultivates essential entrepreneurial skills, preparing students for future business endeavors. How can parents and teachers encourage students to pursue STEM education? Parents and teachers can play a crucial role in promoting STEM education by organizing STEM competitions and offering financial incentives for participation. These initiatives not only motivate students to engage with STEM subjects, but also create a supportive community that values innovation and learning. Encouragement from adults can inspire students to explore and excel in STEM fields.